Now back to this problem, the problem we had earlier. So how to solve this problem? Now it happens for many reasons. One of the reasons that are happening in our case is this one, the spelling error. So it shouldn't be like this, it should be like this. Now after this, let's go ahead and run our app, and I think this time the error should be gone. We already see that the error is gone because it's building, and hopefully you will see that it's already put it up here. So here, this is the index, which is 0, which is initial page as well. Now over here, as we change, slide like this left and right, Flutter page view would automatically keep the track of the index. Then we pass it to this one. So this index value is being updated, and it's being updated. It's also reflected over here. All right, great. Anyway, so next we'll see how to work on this login button and login.